Hey guys, welcome back to another video in the series of survival multiplayer let's play. And in today's video, we will be exploring out into the ocean. Say hello, Ashutosh and Natik. Hello. Stop shifting. Can you hear me or not?
Yes, we can hear you.
Okay.
Yes.
So I now have a banner button on my shield, and this is the top floor of our house. And this is my room, balcony. This is the elevator, and okay, yeah, so let's just go down. And yeah, guys, the house is like half cobblestone, half stone. Alright. Okay, guys, and today we have a new friend with us, and he is Ashutosh. And yeah, he will be joining us in today's adventure.
No, I will be going for mining for everyone.
No,
so that
not
I can bring iron.
Ashutosh, we don't need. We have to do the episode. Today we will go exploring. And yeah, guys, I made this chicken farm, which gets me eggs. Yeah, so we'll just collect all the eggs and go.
Collect.
Natik, do you have the boats ready?
Yes, I am.
Okay, fine, let's go.
I don't know if we have.
Okay, I have my compass.
2 people can sit in one boat.
I have my 2 wood.
Okay, fine. I will sit in one boat.
So 3. So I will sit with Netic.
Okay. Everybody.
Netic!
Okay, are we?
Yes.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
Everyone follow me.
Which island?
See in your right.
Oh,
No,
yeah.
no, go ahead. Go ahead.
Hey, what is this?
The lava is coming, it will turn into obsidian.
What is this?
Let's go to this. Let's go.
Okay.
Netic, keep your boats.
Yeah, everybody keep your boats and stay together.
Wait for me.
Let's go. This is no mountain biome with me.
No, this is the mountains biome. Snow mountains are always different.
Okay, go up. Natik, as usual, not as good in parkour.
I don't have any blocks.
Then break it and come over. I came to the top. This is spruce wood.
Spruce
This
trees!
is spruce wood.
Trees! We need spruce trees. Break spruce
Why?
wood.
Why?
So that we can make mega spruce trees and get a lot of wood.
Hey, I am just going to mine some. Isn't a laggy computer good?
Yeah.
You can use X-ray without mods. Hey, I am taking spruce sapling.
Yeah, how much do you have?
2.
Okay, good. Now let's move.
Spruce saplings we can use.
Yeah, I have 3.
Hey, 3. Where is Netic?
We're
I'm
at
at
the
the
top.
top of the mountain. I'm climbing Mount Everest.
Yeah.
I'm at the same level at the clouds.
Good. Now you will fall.
Okay, fine. Let's continue.
Yes.
My hunger bar is rapidly getting low.
So where are we? This is a snowy mountain.
Yes.
And we lost the track of our home.
No,
Do you even have the coordinates?
I have a compass.
Wait for me.
Yes,
Wait for me.
Okay.
I am like hundreds of kilometers away from you. Wait for me. I am coming.
Wait, I have some snowballs. I have eggs. I will repopulate this area.
You don't know chickens can't survive in snowy weather. And I need some mining. I need
Oh.
some iron. Hey, who is Steve?
Yeah, guys, Steve 2450, he's my other friend. I banned him once.
Oh no, I know who is this calamity.
No, please don't. Look, I put him in adventure mode for some time, and yeah, he's good now. Okay,
Free,
throw
please.
energy clutch. Never mind.
Free, please.
No,
Free,
no.
please.
Place the water. Place the water. She said place the water.
Okay,
We
okay,
don't
okay.
have water. But
Yes, you have infinite iron. We don't.
What do you mean infinite iron?
And I also need some coal.
Okay, mine.
No, leave it.
I see a cave.
Where are you all?
Don't say. He won't.
We
be-
want 10.
Okay, yeah, guys, look, planes. Go explore.
Wow, I needed planes. Let's make a house here. And I found sheep. Let me get the sheep. I don't have a personal bed of mine.
Okay,
I have took
Yes,
that
bees
bed.
also.
Oh shoot!
Kill the bees.
It's getting night time.
Kill.
Oh no.
And we don't have.
I can make a bed. I can make a bed. Just give me some wood.
Okay, fine. Mine some wood.
But only one bed. We are three.
Now do it
Sleep.
again.
Leaving.
Nothing. Leave.
Nothing. Did you leave?
He's sleeping. Okay, I will leave.
Okay, yeah. Now join.
Wait. My computer is a bit laggy. So I will take some time to join. Yes, joining.
Should I hit one of the bees? And it will kill me.
No.
Okay, fine. Come on, explore. We don't have much time. for
Wait,
this
let
episode.
me join. Let me join. And you keep.
You haven't joined.
I have joined or not?
Yes, you have.
Don't hit me. I already have low health on my armor.
Okay, sorry.
See, the protagonist of the video is saying sorry to the side character.
Okay, collect some oxidases. We don't have this flower. Okay, come on.
But why do you think oxidazy collecting is important?
To make flower chart.
I am going to kill the squid
We don't
for no reason at all.
Okay, fine. Move on.
I heard that squids give you blindness.
No, they don't. Come on,
I
go.
have 3 ink sack.
Okay, good.
Hey,
Now-
can we mine some wood?
No.
Can we get some wood? As
No.
we were low on trees.
I have the spruce saplings. After this, you will never be
Yes.
low on wood.
Hey, don't you think we lost the way to our home?
No, I have
Yes,
a compass. Sheep and cows.
I think I found the ocean. But
Yeah.
this is not the place from where we came from.
Yeah, this is exactly the place we came from. Nothing.
Arre, here is a village. Here is a village.
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 your mouth.
Village. I am going to loot all of this and you will be left in scarcity.
Ashutosh.
Yes.
Stay quiet. Someone's.
They're unemployed.
Find chests. Wait, you find chests. I am taking hay bales, okay?
Okay. We found a village. Lucky of us.
No, lucky of me. I first saw first it. I first saw it. What am I telling?
Okay, everybody, come back to the ocean. I need some
Wait,
help.
I haven't taken the hay bales. And also you have to take all the loot.
Just write down the coordinates.
This village shouldn't have any food left. We will completely obliterate the village then leave them without
I
food
have
and water.
noticed. I have
I
noticed.
took some.
Natik. Ashutosh.
Natik,
Ashutosh.
hey, why are you telling that Natik take your stuff?
Just
Arey,
listen,
who is
please.
hitting me?
Just listen, wait, please.
Hey, there is a librarian and the empty map. Hey, I think we should make a map of our house.
Okay, we will just go to bed now.
Yes, yes.
Okay. I am going to steal some villagers' bed.
It is
I
showing
can't
now.
find any bed.
I have 5 beds.
Yes. Hey, are you kicking him?
Yeah, had to.
No, I think you are kicking him.
I know, I was kicking him. Okay,
There should be more chests. Why is this village broke?
Natik. Oh
Here
my.
are the coral reefs.
Why
means-
isn't anyone listening to me? I'm so mad.
Okay, tell. You are the protagonist of the video. So the side characters who need to listen to you.
Ashutosh,
And
come.
where are you going?
Come back to the show right now, everybody.
Arey, Natik is going. No, there are more hay bales. I need to take them.
Ashutosh, please.
We have the farm, big farm.
Oh, yeah, I don't have time for this. Okay, I have to finish the episode quick.
Okay, let's go. I am on the shore.
And wait.
I am.
Fine. Ashutosh, put your boat
Yes.
down.
I don't have any boat. Or I can make one.
Make one.
I have cartography table. If we need, I have.
Okay, now someone write down the coordinates of this village.
I have taken the screenshot.
Okay, good. Did you make Ashutosh?
Yes, I made a boat.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, now trap
Arey,
one.
why did you kill? Why did you kill?
Just go get another cow.
We need to kill this villager.
Do it.
No.
Do it.
Wait.
Done.
Why is this iron golem not hurting us?
Hello.
Arey, let's go quickly. I can't play anymore.
Hey,
Ashutosh.
there is another cow. There is another cow.
I know. So go trap it.
Trap.
Okay, fine. Now take it.
See me.
Out through here.
Hmm.
No, first we need to go to our house. After that only we can do the house.
Ashutosh, give me some wheat. I need wheat.
Why?
Oh my god, just give me wheat.
Okay. Take this. 9 wheat.
Give.
Where are you? Take this.
Oh, sorry.
Arey, why are you hitting me?
Lag.
I am already low. Okay, just tell me the coordinate. No.
Oh.
I should follow you. Or I should put on third person because I can't see a thing. 3-5, let's go now.
Wait.
Kick that baby villager.
Someone get this cow in a boat.
Hey, why is he telling found you?
Someone put a boat down, please.
Keeping.
I have put one. Why don't you come?
Okay, Natik, now you make another boat.
Okay, wait for me. I'll-
Imagine what the view of this cow is like.
Yeah. Completed. Go.
Arey, you will come or not?
Okay,
You
now.
will come or not?
Okay, fine now. Everybody follow me.
Where are you going first? Tell me.
Home. Is everybody following me?
Yes, you go on.
Yes, you go now. We are following you.
Fine, now we should.
Please kill that Steve.
Should I ban him?
No. Yes, ban him.
No.
He is just disturbing us. Why don't you kill him? He will respawn. He can respawn and then take all of his stuff.
That tunnel, that is very dangerous tunnel. Me and Aspas were mining there, and we got stuck.
Hey, we're home.
Yes.
Yes, we are home. The dirt. You see
Arre, we are home.
the advantage
can't
of the
see.
dirt tower.
Yay, we're home.
Yes,
We are home. Now I don't need to be in third person.
the advantage of my dirt tower.
Okay, now everybody safely get the cows to the compound.
Hey, why are there so much chickens roaming outside?
Listen, let's do the outro in the farm only.
Okay, let me get in the farm.
Okay, yeah, we got cows. Mission successful.
But we don't need to keep all of them in the same place.
Yeah, we'll do that later. Oh, fine, everybody outro.
Yes, outro.
How do you even brought the cows inside of this compartment?
Okay, everybody here.
Yes.
Okay,
Take a
guys.
photo in third person.
Okay, guys, so that's it for today's video. I hope you liked it. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.